Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I have a very short plant video, and this is my Syngonium albo. I had taken a cutting from the main plant and had planted it in this particular pot, and yes, it is doing good now. And this is my English ivy, which I recently repotted from its tiny container. Now this is my maple leaf ivy and it's doing just wonderful. Look at it, how pretty it is. I think I need to add some more manure to the plant. I'll be adding maybe vermicompost, and that will make the plant look more pretty. And yes, this is my chrysanthemum. Well, I didn't grow this by my own, but I bought this particular plant along with the flowers, and actually I just love this button chrysanthemums, and it's very hard to recognize when the plants are small, so I bought the whole plant. And this is the only chrysanthemum left of last year. Now this is also a plant which I bought along with the button chrysanthemum that I just showed you. Now this is my Syngonium milk confetti. Thank God I saw that the plant was dying at the correct time, and I quickly took a cutting and planted it, and thank God it's alive. Now these are my bougainvillea. Actually I had 4 bougainvillea plants, out of which one has died, and when I think of it I feel very sad. This is a gorgeous fuchsia pink. Look at it, how pretty it is, beautiful. And this is another Syngonium of mine. Today I showed, I think, 3 Syngonium. This is the third one that I am showing. Yes, and this is a very important plant to me. This is the Syngonium strawberry ice, and I had longed for this plant for very long. So thank you for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and if you're new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.